When you think of cooking fats, what comes to mind? Maybe olive oil, butter, or vegetable oil. But what if I told you that one of the healthiest, most versatile fats has been around for centuries and is making a major comeback? We're talking about beef tallow. Once a staple in kitchens around the world, beef tallow fell out of favor when processed seed oils took over grocery store shelves. But new research shows that this traditional fat is packed with nutrients, stable for high-heat cooking, and far superior to many modern oils. In today's video, we're uncovering the powerful health benefits of beef tallow, why it's better for cooking than conventional vegetable oils, and how incorporating it into your diet can improve your overall well-being. Stick around because what you learn today might just change the way you cook forever. Let's get into it. Beef tallow is simply rendered beef fat, pure, natural, and loaded with beneficial nutrients. Unlike heavily processed seed oils like canola and soybean oil, beef tallow is minimally processed, making it one of the most natural fats you can consume. But what makes beef tallow so special? Let's break it down. First, it's rich in healthy fats that support overall health. Beef tallow is composed mainly of monounsaturated and saturated fats, which have been shown to support brain function, hormone production, and energy levels. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that dietary saturated fats do not increase the risk of heart disease, contrary to what was previously believed. In fact, the saturated fats in beef tallow can actually help reduce inflammation and improve immune function. According to research in the Journal of Lipid Research, saturated fats play a crucial role in cell membrane integrity and immune system regulation. Next, beef tallow is packed with fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. These nutrients are essential for vision, immune health, and calcium absorption. A study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that vitamin K2, which is present in animal fats like tallow, helps transport calcium into bones and teeth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and arterial calcification. Why frying in beef tallow is better than seed oils? One of the best uses for beef tallow is high-heat cooking. Unlike vegetable oils, which break down into harmful compounds when heated, beef tallow remains stable even at high temperatures. Why processed seed oils go rancid and require chemical processing? One of the biggest issues with processed seed oils like soybean, canola, and corn oil is how unstable they are. These oils are extracted using high heat and chemical solvents, which cause them to oxidize and go rancid before they even reach store shelves. Since rancid oils develop an unpleasant smell and dark color, manufacturers must refine them further. This includes bleaching, to remove the discoloration, and deodorizing with chemical agents to mask the foul odor. A study published in the Journal of the American Oil Chemists Society found that the refining process used for vegetable oils generates harmful trans fats and oxidation byproducts, which have been linked to inflammation and chronic disease. Unlike beef tallow, which is naturally stable and doesn't require chemical processing, seed oils go through multiple industrial steps that strip them of any nutritional value while introducing toxic compounds. For example, let's talk about French fries. Traditionally, French fries were fried in beef tallow, giving them a rich, crispy texture. But when fast food chains switched to vegetable oils in the 1980s, the health benefits disappeared. A study published in Food Chemistry found that polyunsaturated oils like soybean and canola oil produce harmful oxidation byproducts when heated, which have been linked to inflammation and chronic diseases. Beef tallow, on the other hand, has a high smoke point of around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 204 degrees Celsius, making it an excellent choice for frying without the risk of toxic compounds forming. Research in the Journal of the American Oil Chemists Society found that saturated fats like tallow are more resistant to oxidation compared to polyunsaturated seed oils, making them far safer for cooking. Beyond frying, beef tallow also enhances the flavor of foods. Whether you're roasting vegetables, searing a steak, or even making homemade pie crusts, tallow provides a depth of flavor that processed oils simply can't match. Another major advantage of beef tallow is its role in gut health. Unlike artificial trans fats found in processed foods, beef tallow contains conjugated linoleic acid CLA. which has been shown to support gut integrity and reduce inflammation. A study in the Journal of Dairy Science found that CLA can help improve gut microbiota and reduce the risk of inflammatory bowel disease. Cholesterol. Many people still believe that animal fats like beef tallow raise bad cholesterol levels. However, a study from the British Medical Journal found that natural saturated fats from animal sources do not increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. In fact, they can help raise HDL, the good cholesterol that supports heart health. So, does this mean you should completely replace other cooking oils with beef tallow? Not necessarily, but incorporating it into your diet as a natural, nutrient-dense fat can offer a range of health benefits while avoiding the toxic byproducts of processed oils. Another surprising benefit of beef tallow is its positive impact on skin health. Tallow is rich in essential fatty acids and fat-soluble vitamins that deeply nourish the skin. Historically, it was used in skincare for its moisturizing and healing properties. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that stearic acid and palmitic acid, both present in beef tallow, help strengthen the skin barrier and protect against dryness and irritation. Unlike many commercial lotions that contain synthetic chemicals and preservatives, beef tallow is a completely natural, bioavailable moisturizer. It closely resembles the natural oils in human skin, making it an effective solution for hydration and repair. Many people who suffer from eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions have reported improvements after using tallow-based balms. Beyond personal care, beef tallow is also a sustainable and waste-reducing fat. In the past, people used every part of the animal, ensuring nothing went to waste. But today, we've moved toward an unsustainable reliance on highly processed seed oils that require industrial refining and massive amounts of crops. Using beef tallow is a return to traditional, nose-to-tail eating, promoting sustainability and reducing food waste. So, how can you start incorporating beef tallow into your diet? Use it for frying and roasting. Replace vegetable oils with tallow when frying potatoes, making scrambled eggs, or roasting vegetables. Add it to homemade soups and stews. A small spoonful of tallow enhances the richness of broths and soups. Use it for baking. Tallow can be used in place of butter or shortening for flakier pie crusts and biscuits. Make tallow-based skincare. Melt it down with essential oils for a nourishing balm or body butter. As with any dietary fat, quality matters. The best beef tallow comes from grass-fed, pasture-raised cattle, which have higher levels of beneficial nutrients like omega-3s and CLA. A study from Lipids in Health and Disease found that grass-fed animal fats contain significantly more anti-inflammatory compounds compared to grain-fed sources. So, is beef tallow the ultimate healthy fat? While no single fat is perfect, beef tallow offers a powerful combination of nutrients, stability, and versatility that make it a superior alternative to heavily processed seed oils. From frying the crispiest French fries to nourishing your skin, this traditional fat is making a well-deserved comeback. By switching to beef tallow, you're not just improving your health, you're embracing a more sustainable, whole food approach to cooking. It's time to move away from processed oils and return to the natural, nutrient-dense fats our ancestors thrived on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health-conscious content. Have you tried cooking with beef tallow? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.